Yeah. So also from what I believe to be true is that when we are super stressed going through trauma, whether it's anger or sadness or any of those, and we stop breathing, that actually that energy gets stuck in
Yes,
our cells. And I also understand that happens even from stuff that happened in 2-3 generations back that
right,
we carry around.
right.
So are you also do you also believe that with your breath work that undoes that and that releases those blocked energies that are in your body that maybe be causing physical discomfort? So we're really looking at a cellular level and a DNA level here too, right?
Right. It's a very important thing. Most of the people are stuck, you know, with negative emotion, thought of anxiety, the thought of worry, the thought of anger, the thought of fear. So they are holding back, so they are not releasing such kind of the negative emotion. So your question was very relevant to it. So when we go for the breathing meditation, it will just let go of it. It will just dissolve all kinds of the stuck energy, whatever we are holding back. Why? Because as I said, breath is a life force energy. When we connect with the higher existence, with the help of life force energy, when we bring our awareness to the breath, what will happen? It can easily let go the thought of the past, the thought of the future, the thought of anger, thought of frustration, thought of jealousy, whatsoever we are holding back. Therefore the anger happen. Why does the anger happens? Because we try to suppress and repress all kinds of the negative thought, emotion, energy within myself. So the breath work, as you asked me, this is a very important question. With the help of the breathing meditation, we can easily release the stuck energy, whatsoever we are holding back, and then we can live into the present moment awareness. So yeah.
And how long do you feel should those breathing meditations go for?
So like I recommend like every day we can go for at least 20 minutes, or 15 minutes, every day. But it doesn't matter. This is a basic level of breathing meditation I'm sharing. I share the intermediate level of breathing meditation in which I can consider each and every movement is a breathing meditation. What does it mean? Just for example, if I'm sharing my talk with you at this moment, I have to be aware of each and every words whatsoever I'm sharing, and just bring my awareness to the breath. I'm not saying that I have to be obsessed with the thought of the breath. No, just let it happen. Just let it with the flow, just go with the flow. Awareness means just feel, just feel the sensation of it. That's all. And that will help us to live into the present moment awareness. So in intermediate level of breathing meditation, I can consider each and every moment is a breathing meditation, whatsoever work we are doing. Even I'm talking with you, even I'm driving my car, even I'm cleaning my house, just consider each and every moment is a meditation or breathing meditation practice. That's what I say.
It can be so difficult to do for a lot of people that, we've forgotten how to do that. We've
Yeah, yeah.
forgotten our breath and we just go about our business. And every now and again we go, oh yeah, I need to breathe. um, so